There are many reasons to love this orchid. It's an astounding beauty with mouth-watering scent of vanilla and chocolate, and to top it off, it's also easy to grow, which explains why it's such a highly favored orchid by hobbyists and botanists. Would you like to try a dose of tranquility in the perfume? Well, therapeutic orchids are part of this composition that soothe and enhance your scent experience. You may have heard that some orchids possess medicinal values, and these are no exceptions. So let's find out more. Also known as golden orchid, this orchid is mainly found in China, Japan, and Korea. Being an anti-heat plant, it is used frequently to relieve fever and is also a remedy for sore throat and toothache. This also possesses a unique and interesting scent of spiced honey and assists in improving blood circulation and qi. What is qi? Chinese believe that qi is the vital force and energy in the body. This next orchid is also very commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine. It is said to benefit the lungs and kidneys and aid in detoxifying the body. We have added in a few other ingredients such as amber, mandioca, and elemi to create more complexity in the fragrance. This ingredient, elemi, truly captures the essences of culture, tradition, and even medicine. It is a pale yellow fragrant resin tapped from a tree which grows in the Philippines. Not only is it invaluable as an incense ingredient, it is also great in perfumes for its sharp, balsamic, spicy, almost lemony green scent, which increases the depth of any fragrance and makes it last a longer time. Outside perfumery use, it is used as a herbal medicine to treat coughs, bronchitis, mature skin, and scars. This is a composition built on contrasts, sweet vanilla chocolate scent in the opening of the fragrance, supported with woody hues and contrasting with a lemony green scent, along with the balsamic spicy nuances. A perfect fragrance if you're looking to add more depth and longevity to your perfume.